Hi everyone, let's go over a few quick things in this video, primarily how to invite students to join your class, as well as how to send emails from within the class, and how to invite teachers and administrators to view your class as well. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you'll notice here is that you have a class code up here under the title of your class. If you hit display, you can see that right here. This is unique to your class. Should you need to reset it, I can show you where to do that as well, but you probably will not need to. Now, you can copy this and you can send it from an email inside your Gmail account if you needed to send that to, say, a student who didn't get invited or something along those lines. But there is an easier way to do it. However, this information will stay here in case you need it throughout the term. Now, the easiest way to do this is to go up to People, and you see the class code again here, and you see this icon right here that says Invite Students. Once you click that, you'll be able to actually start typing in your student's name. When you get a roster, the easiest thing to do is just start typing in the first few letters of a student's name, and their email will pop up, and then you can hit invite and send that email from here. I'll show you what that looks like from the teacher's end here. So let's say you want to invite another teacher to join the class. Maybe you want somebody to see what your class looks like, or share some content, or maybe you're teaching a part of your class together, doing some co-teaching, something along those lines, or you want an administrator to view your class. Let's go ahead and let's type in Kim's name here. You'll see I just type in her first name, email address pops up. All I do is click on it. Now, you can do this for multiple people. You do not have to do these individually. So you can invite your entire class of students or several teachers all at one time in each section. So all you do is hit invite. It will send an email, and you will see that they receive an email on their end that says something along the lines of, you've been invited to join. Mine would say Dr. Wellman's awesome third grade class. They accept that, and they can join right from that email. So that is pretty simple right there. Now, because I don't have any students in my class yet, I'm not going to be able to show you from this class, my new class, what it looks like to send emails. Which you can do from the grading section here, but as you can see, I don't have any students in there. So what I'm going to do is I will show you my old class from our last school year here, and I'm going to go to my archived classes here, go to my class right here, you can do it from People. You can send emails directly from People. Let's say you wanted to send something to all of your students. You would just hit this email. It will pull up your Gmail account and generate a mass email with all of your students in the blind copied section. I find that to be important because you don't necessarily want to share all those email addresses with everyone, and because it gets to be a little cluttered at the top of the page. So if you wanted to, say, send it to somebody else as well, here it's asking me if I wanted to send something to Mindy Young. You can click whatever it says there should you need to, or you can type in up in the to section up at the top there, but it's not necessary. There's your subject email, and then you all know how to send emails. But that's how you would send a batch email to all of your students. Now, let's say you wanted to send individual emails. All you'd have to do is click on your student, hit email. Once again, it's going to generate an email automatically in your Gmail account, and you can send the email from there. Okay, so the other thing that you can do is, let's say you're in the grading section, and you want to send a student an email from here. You can click on that student's name, and then you can hit this little email icon up in the corner here, and you can type your message directly here. You can also include a work summary if you choose to do that, and you can send the email directly from inside Google Classroom. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to cover a few different settings that you're going to want to change before you start putting announcements up, and then I'll go over some announcements, and then we'll go on from there. If you have questions, just let me know.